Car Update welcomes you to another exciting video. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Toyota Crown, a car that blends luxury, performance, and futuristic design like never before. Toyota has taken this iconic nameplate and pushed it to the next level, bringing a bold new approach to the sedan and crossover segment. The 2026 Toyota Crown comes with a refreshed design that's both elegant and aggressive. The sleek LED headlights, a reworked front grille, and a sculpted body give it a modern yet commanding presence on the road. Toyota has refined its aerodynamics to improve efficiency and stability, making it a perfect balance of style and performance. Under the hood, Toyota offers multiple powertrain options, including an advanced hybrid system. The standard version features a 2.5-liter hybrid engine, delivering a smooth yet powerful driving experience. For those craving more performance, there's a turbocharged hybrid variant with an all-wheel drive system that enhances both grip and acceleration, with improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. The new Crown is set to be one of the most eco-friendly premium sedans on the market. Inside, the 2026 Toyota Crown boasts a high-tech, luxurious cabin, a large touchscreen infotainment system with the latest Toyota interface, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto make connectivity seamless. Premium materials, ambient lighting, and an advanced digital instrument cluster add to the futuristic feel. The seats are designed for maximum comfort, offering both heating and ventilation for a first-class experience. When it comes to safety, Toyota has packed the Crown with the latest driver assist technologies. The Toyota Safety Sense suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. These features ensure a safer and more confident drive, whether in city traffic or on long highway journeys. The 2026 Toyota Crown is designed for those who seek sophistication, performance, and cutting-edge technology in one package. With its bold styling, powerful hybrid options, and luxurious interior, it's set to redefine the premium sedan experience. Would you choose the new Toyota Crown as your next ride? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned to Bike Update for more exciting automotive news and reviews.